Yhdysvalloissa Valkoisen talon tapahtumapäällikkönä toiminut ammattipuhuja Laura Schwartz kävi Suomessa tietenkin puhumassa, mutta ehtipä hän voita ja sokeria kokiksikin.
What do you do for a living?
I speak professionally about networking and the power of partnership. And that's something we can all do as we eat, drink, and succeed, which is also the title of my book. So I guess I'm a writer in some ways, and I'm a television commentator on great events and pop culture and leadership around the world.
How does eating and drinking affect our success?
Well, when anyone breaks bread together, whether your glasses are full of wine, vodka, or water, we all have that moment to have conversation. And so it's not just that we eat and drink and see how much we can get out of the open bar, but what we can do together. And that's when we really succeed.
Amerikkalainen uraohjus tietenkin aloittaa kokkaamisen sekoittamalla drinkin. Shakerin puutteessa käytetään luovuutta ja laseja. Seljankukkaliköörillä väritetyn drinksun nimi on kuulemma olennainen osa.
Oh, I have to say that Finland vodka is fantastic. Thank you. Cheers. And now we're ready for the rest of our meal.
Lehtikaali on myös Amerikassa kovassa suosiossa.
Oh, it's so fashionable in the States because it is so heart healthy. The vitamins in kale are much more than you find in just a standard lettuce. I can be quite a messy chef. That's part of the fun. Then we're gonna take corn on the cob. I love corn on the cob, even when it's not in season. If you want to make it heavier in the corn, make it heavier in the corn.
Laura syö puhtaista, terveellisistä aineksista tehtyä ruokaa, mutta ei halua tinkiä herkullisuudesta yhtään. Hän ei kainostele esimerkiksi öljyn määrän kanssa.
In addition to the olive oil, lime, the mustard, we're going to do a nice crank of fresh pepper. You get this beautiful frothy vinaigrette. I just love it. Kind of shines up all those colors. So let's head on to the main course. So just gonna bring that back up to a boil. That takes the longest, so that just sits. You can make the salsa as chunky or as chopped as you'd like. I like things chopped, but chunky is good too. We're going a little chunky today. Now, tomatoes can be juicy, but that's okay for the salsa. It just adds to the flavor. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of that corn we've got left over from the quinoa salad, and it adds just the right bit of sweetness. And then, let's see, what else should we do? Avocado. I love avocado. And because this has a little Mexican-inspired, oh, look at that, it's gorgeous. Our avocados are not looking this nice in the States. So we've got olive oil, tomatoes, avocado, red onion. Now we are going to add two of my favorite parts. One, lime juice. It really activates it all. And then the cilantro, fresh cilantro, whether grown in your garden or in a package. There we go. We're gonna take that, and the reason I make it in this easy plastic dish is I'm gonna put the cover on. It fits right on like that. And then I'll put it in the refrigerator for the rest of my cooking time. This way, it sort of all seals together.
Valkealihainen kuha kelpaa erittäin hyvin Lauran raikkaan ruoan proteiinin tuojaksi. Hän paistaa sen kuumassa öljyssä rapeaksi.
Grab a dash of olive oil. Not too much. In fact, that's a little much, so I'll just put on one side and then I'll flip it right away. So you know the tortilla's done when you see a little smoke coming out. You don't have to do two sides absolutely crisp. I just like to warm it up. So we're just gonna leave that on there for a moment. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It'll have a nice crunch to it. So we have our kale salad with the corn, tomato, red onion, and that fabulous lime vinaigrette. We have the quinoa with a little bit of cilantro and some lime infused. And then over here, we've got the fish with that fabulous salsa made of avocado, tomato, corn, red onion, lime, and a little bit of olive oil. Well, I have to say, this looks like a lovely way to eat, drink, and succeed.